Hello, everyone. This is Huseyin Dursun. I'm a VP of Engineering at VMware. I'm running an organization called VMware Engineering Services. And I've been with VMware over 6 years and running engineering organizations since I joined VMware. And I have experience both in private and public clouds. And today I'm excited to talk to you about our command center role and to showcase how we use our own products, what we call VMware on VMware. It's our own way of like doing dogfooding and using our products in our real deliverables and outcomes. And here, what I'm going to show is like our vision for managing multi-clouds. And one key thing that you're going to see is the single pane of glass for the whole complex system to reduce the cost, and also like how we scale out to multiple clouds increase the efficiency. And this is like a showcase of like how we do have both of them in one single project. And here you see our command center wall for hands-on lab. And this is a great example of VMware on VMware. And we have over 10 live dashboards. And we use the products, we realize operations. And we use Tanzu Observability, also known as Wavefront by VMware. And we are using VMware Cloud Health. And the whole system is powered by VMware Learning Platform at the bottom of the stack. So again, this is an environment that we created by using our own products, and this is what we call VMware on VMware. So I hope you love what you see, and we like you to stay connected with us like through social media. And here are the links. And thank you for listening.